Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Insider, and today we're talking about a social fi slash GameFi slash reward assets airdrop known as the Dreamer Quest or the Path of Dreams. The token is known as POD. So this is actually quite easy. It's just launched some days back. On their X page, you can see step into the realm of Stallion, shaping a new era in equine investments, and it just launched on the 3rd of March. The Dream at Arise POD, this is the link to join, and you just have to do just to complete quests, pin, refer, and engage to earn. So this is giving one of those airdrops last year, all those GameFi airdrops that actually paid a lot of money. So I'm actually banking on this. We just have 134,000 followers. So it's still a bit undiluted. It's not diluted. A lot of people don't know about it yet. So do well to start now and take part in this airdrop. So let's go back to the platform. So the link to this airdrop will be in my description. So do well to click it and take part in this airdrop. So you can see one, sign up. What you have to sign up is to connect your Twitter account, start earning points. Then you earn rewards by completing quests and inviting friends. So engage, share, and earn. And then you now claim all rewards based on the points earned. So let's log in. So once you click on login, I've already connected my X page. You just have to authorize it. If you're not connected to the X page before, you can go ahead to sign in your X page and then continue. So authorize app. So this is our dashboard. You can see referral created successfully. Okay. So I currently have 300 points. So this is the dashboard. This is me. You can say so if this thing pops up, all you have to do is to complete this task now. So if I'm able to complete this task now, I will get 2 times of the points required. You can also complete this task later from the dashboard, but then if you complete this later, it means that you'll be getting the normal points. So if you complete this now, you get times 2 of the points. I'm quickly using my Chrome in mobile to do this. You can use any browser. You can use your Mises. You can use any browser at all to take part in this. So I'll go ahead to complete these tasks to get times 2 of the required points. Anything for the points, guys. So you can see over here, once you click, do the quest and then you verify. So verifying it might take a while. Oh, task completed successfully. I think I can go ahead to complete other tasks. Comment, tweet, like. So I'll do this very fast. I won't have to talk. I'll just do it very, very fast. So these tasks are taking quite a lot of time for me to do. So I guess I'll just do them much later. Go to dashboard. Let's go back to dashboard. So I can get to show us much more things we can get to do. So this is our dashboard. You can see I already have 400 points. This is one of the tasks I've done, and then the referral earnings from using. So my referral link will be in the description. So use the referral link and also get your own 300 points. Then here's where you can get your referral link from, and then you can also do daily spins. So you can get much points. You can also take part in the spins. So let's go over to the quests. So these are the quests we have to do to get points. Initially we were supposed to do them to get times 2, but because of network challenges, we just have to do them now. So, but there's no issue. Just do them and then come back every day to do some quests. So over here is all the quests. Then I think there's some quests for starters, which is this: follow the founder, connect, join their Telegram channel, connect your wallet, and connect your email address. So the wallet will be connecting will be MetaMask wallet. So I suggest you can do this in your MySys browser instead of using Chrome. So use your MySys browser to do this airdrop and not use Chrome, so you can get to connect to your MetaMask wallet, or you can even do the airdrop inside your MetaMask dApp browser. Let's go over to, so endeavor to do all these tasks so you can get lots of points. Let's go over to boosters. So over at boosters, there are daily points for you to claim. So you can say today, March 18th, you can claim 50 points. Let me claim. You can claim 50 points. So that is March 18th. So it's claiming. So these are other booster posts. So create, engage, and earn points. So you can like, quote, reply, or repost any of the posts to get points. So let's look at the rules. So I've gotten my daily bonus for just 50 points. So look at the rules. Say when you draft and post a tweet tagging part of Dream upload, you earn points based on the engagement your tweet receives. So engagement points are awarded as follows. Likes get 0.5 points per like, quotes get 1.5 points per quote, retweets get 1.5 points per retweet, comments get 1 point per comment. So maximum points per tweet is 500 points. So you can join my Telegram channel. So let's see how much you can engage our posts so you can get as much points as possible. These are also other tasks, other booster tasks that we can do to get much points, and you can get times 2 boosts with these tasks. That's if you do all this. So you just have to open all these things. So just click on this, open on your X page, and engage, like, retweet, and so for it to be able to get these points, and they can get times 2 boosts. So let's go over to the leaderboard. So I don't think there's a leaderboard currently since it's not been long this game launched. So let's go over to this icon here. We restart with our X account, so do well to perform the tasks. Connect to your email here, then connect to this code and your MetaMask wallet. So I think that's it for this airdrop. I think that's it for this airdrop. So let's do well to sign in daily, come every day, check the activities you need to perform, check the questions to perform, check in, engage their posts, spin, and invite more friends. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so you can be getting lots of videos as I post them. Also, my Telegram channel link will be in the description, and I post a lot of alphas. Do well to join. See you next time.